Hey everyone, it's Pam, and I am here to show you daily things I use Canva, I'm reading this right up here, that I use ChatGPT Work for. Let's go. Now, I am going to, excuse me, I created a video, and now I'm going to take that transcript, and I wrote, you can also talk in it. Create a YouTube description, tags, image for the YouTube thumbnail. And I said that I would put an image in there. I need a Facebook post, school post, and let's do a blog post plus an email. I'm really making work, right? I put in the transcript, and then look what it did for me. And I also said I would love to make this a skill because I'm going to be doing this pretty much every day. I want this to be a skill. Your full content is ready, and I also created a reusable transcript to content kit skill. Basically, you guys, if you do things over and over and over again in ChatGPT, create a skill. And then all you have to do is go slash and then write the skill. I'll show you, let's see, how many do I have now? I just started. It's going to be a lot in like a month, I swear. It's just showing me here that I do. I've installed these and I've created them. I haven't grabbed any skills from anyone. Not yet. Let's go back to our here. Made a skill. Yes, thank you. Thumbnail. Okay. And then it gave me, it did a PNG. I'll show you that in a little bit. It also gave me, you forgot to ask about that, a YouTube description, YouTube chapters. So those are always awesome to put in there. So yes, tags, yes, Facebook post, school post, yup, blog post, email subject and preview lines, and then the email. You guys. And then he gave me this. And I was like, we got the red hair, but what I didn't do was I didn't attach my YouTube. So I went ahead and put my YouTube in the image that I like, and then it gave me this. Right? So now my job is to go do all this stuff. Love it. If you need help, make sure you do this in ChatGPT Work. It will help you. And also follow and subscribe because I'm going to be sharing things I do every day because me and ChatGPT Work are a thing. All right. You guys, I showed you how ChatGPT Work helped me with a transcript and gave me all the info, right? And so I did that. Normally, I would have jumped to something else, right? And then I would have just forgotten, or I would have done it on another day. But you know what? I was like, let's just do it. Let's just do it. I want to show you. It took me about an hour, just doing things. And is everything perfect? Probably not. Did I like question keywords? Did I go, oh goodness, everyone's going to see this? All the questions that go in your head when you're doing this type of work. I want to show you. I put it up on YouTube. I did all this. I did the tags. I did all that. I put it up in Facebook. I put it in Skool. I created a blog post. I did an email. I did five things with this that ChatGPT Work gave me. So instead of me trying to figure out all this stuff on my own, I am using my resources and I am getting out there. So I just want to show you so that you believe me So the YouTube here, there we go, there it is. So 41 minutes ago I did that. And then I created a Facebook page. That was 20 minutes ago. So there we go. And then created a blog post, which I normally don't do, but I did add screenshots. I mean, it's not a bad blog post. It's out there. It does it. And then I put some links. It has my video up here. They just have to press on it. I did. And then I did in Skool. And that was 34 minutes ago. Not bad. So YouTube, Facebook, Skool, blog posts. Oh yeah, email. I did 2 emails. Well, one email, and I'm doing one like for people that don't open it the first day, then they get it sent again. So, hello, I scheduled a email for tomorrow. Look at all this. Look at all the stuff I got done. What? Can't wait to show you more. And then remember, I made this a uh, skill in ChatGPT. So when I get done with these videos, I'm going to do that. And then it'll give me all the info again for these videos that I'm creating for this ChatGPT work. Okay? Work smarter, not harder.